In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy content from Deepseek AI into Word or Google Docs. Now, whether you're working on reports, assignments, or any document that demands integrating AI-generated content, this process is going to make your life a lot easier. We're focusing on clarity here, so let's dive right into it and get you copying and pasting like a pro. First, let's start with highlighting the text you want to copy. When you're working with a DeepSeek response, you'll need to choose the specific text that you want to transfer to your document. It's as simple as clicking and dragging your mouse across the portion of the response that you find necessary. Make sure you've got everything you need, but don't worry if you miss a word or two. You can always go back and adjust your selection. Once you've highlighted the text, the next step is to copy it. There are two main ways to do this, and you can choose whichever method is most convenient for you. One way is to right-click on the selected text and then choose the Copy option from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, you'll find this next part especially useful. On a PC, you'd press Ctrl and C at the same time. If you're using a Mac, the combination is slightly different. You'll press CMD and C. Both methods will effectively place your selected text onto your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. Now, let's get this content into your document. Bring up either your Word or Google Docs file, whichever one you prefer or need to use for your work. Position your cursor in the document where you want the copied text to appear. Then, just like with the copying step, you have options. You can right-click at the spot in your document and select Paste from the menu that appears. For those who enjoy shortcuts, you're in luck. If you're at a PC, press Ctrl and V together. On a Mac, press CMD and V. This action will paste the text from your clipboard into your document. And there you have it, a seamless transition of text from Deepseek AI to your Word or Google document. This method is not only efficient, but ensures that you maintain accuracy in transferring information, reducing the chance for errors that can occur with retyping. Just remember, refining the text once it's in your document is always a good idea. You might need to adjust formatting or simply ensure that it integrates well with the surrounding content. With these steps, integrating AI-generated content has become straightforward and demands nothing more than a few clicks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps make your document workflow smoother.